So number of students, if I 0 to 10 will be 5 only. See, 0 to 10 will be 5 only. This 9 students will be below 20. It means already 5 children will came here, right? So here what will come? 9 minus 5. 17 minus 9. Keep on doing like this, okay? In that way, you can just find it out. The frequency part, that is 5, 4, 8, 12. Last will get here 2. Okay, 2, 5, 8. These are the frequencies. So understood how to find the frequency, Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
First of all, you have to find the frequencies, then you have to find the midpoint. Why midpoint? Because xi we don't know. This is in class interval, so we have to find the midpoint of everything. So up, what is midpoint here? How to find xi? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Which is the midpoint over here? Midpoint is 5. So 5 is the xi over here. 5 is the xi. Okay. Then 15, 25, 35, 45. These all will come, midpoint will come. Okay. How to find ui? ui is the xi minus a divided by height. See, ui is equals to xi minus a, okay, divided by h. Okay, this is the formula to find ui. This is the formula to find ui. Then you have to multiply fi ui, and then you'll get here fi ui. The fi, you multiply this 5 into minus 5, you'll get minus 20. Similarly, you can find for everything. Then add it, you will get minus 56. Now put in the formula. What do you get after putting the formula? Just tell me the answer for this. After putting the formula, what do you get? Solve this. Adarsh, on your camera, man. Adarsh, Drishi, Praharshan. Praharshan, Adarsh, Adarsh. So you got the answer as 48.41 only. So question may be like this also. Okay, this second semester it may be your subjective type questions, right?
Sir, it's not confirmed.
Yeah, anyway, it's not confirmed, but it may be, right? So mean they're given below 10, below 20 like that also mean they can give. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, agreed.
Okay. Next question is, find the value of k. Second question is, if the mean of the following data is given here, you have to find the value of k. This is a very easy question. 1 minute. To find the value of k. See this question. Find the value of k in this. By any method you can find. Find the value of k. Mean is given. Mean is 21.5. Find the value of k. Praharshan, are you doing by direct method?
Yes, sir.
The same you are getting or not? Just check first xi fi you are getting the same or not.
Okay.
What is the value of k? Anyone got the answer? Value of k? Summation xi fi divided by fi is equals to 21.5. Are you getting k is equals to 5?
Sir, I got 6.4.
6.2.
So 6.4.
6.4. What about others? How much you got? See, Praharshan, where you done mistake? 2255 plus.
I got 5, sir. Value of k.
Okay. Praharshan, you got this much? 255 plus 3k, you got XIFI.
Take the subtraction.
Subtraction.
It's like 322.5 minus 25. I did 87.
Okay. So all of you got the answer 5 now. Drishi, you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to find the frequency, two frequencies now, okay? Two frequencies are unknown, F1 and F. So the next question is, find the value of F1 and F2 of the frequency. If the mean of the following distribution is given 21.4 and total frequency is 40. Find the value of F1 and F2. Same formula you can use here also. Like direct method, XI, class interval is again, first you find XI, then you can just move further. See the first step. We're getting this much or not. This is the first step. Class interval is given. If you know the class interval, you have to find the xi over here. 4, 12, 20, 28, 36. Then frequency is already given. 6, F1, 10, F2, and 9. On adding, it will come 25 plus F1 plus F2, and that is equals to 40 is given in the question itself. Question only it's given, total frequency is 40. So this whole part 25 plus F1 plus F2 is equals to what? 40. Then Fi is equals to just multiply here, and you'll get 548 plus F1 plus 28 F2. So Fi and Fi you got, right? Next, applying the formula now. Xi divided by Fi is equals to mean, that is 21.4. What you're getting the answer, just tell me right now.
Sir, I got the equation. I just have to solve them. Will take a minute.
What you got the equation, Samarth?
Sir, I got the equation. It's F1 plus F2 equals to 15 and 12 F1 plus 28 F2 equals to 308.
Okay. So what is F1 and F2? Just find F1 and F2.
Yes.
This is linear equation in two variables. So two variables are F1 and F2. Find all the two unvariable part F1 and F2. Anyone got the answer? Calculation is more, no, Samarth?
Yes, sir, it's taking a bit.
Adarsh, you are getting the question you got? Adarsh?
Yes, I'm still doing.
See, you are getting these two equations, so now just check once. F1 plus F2 is equals to 15. And F bar, we have just put the formula only, summation Xi Fi divided by summation Fi. So second equation is 3F1 plus 7F2 is equals to 77. You got these two equations. Others, just check.
Sir, F1 equals to 7, F2 equals to 8.
Okay, 7 and 8 you are getting. Okay.
Yeah.
You can solve the linear equation, right? F1 plus F2 is equals to 15 and 3F1 plus 7F2 is equals to 77. Having doubt, Praharshan, in this?
No, sir.
What is the value of F1, F2?
Sir, I'm doing. Sir, but I'm getting it in a fraction.
Okay, these two equations you got getting or not? First and second equation you are getting or not?
Yes, sir, I got both of them.
So see, in F1 you just multiply with 3. 3F1 will come here. 3F1 plus 3F2 is equals to what will come? 45. Right?
Yes, sir.
On subtraction, what do you get on subtraction?
32.
Subtract this one now.
I'll get 32.
Huh?
Then
So
have
here
to-
minus, here also minus, and here you write minus. Both, all three are minus right now. So F1 and F1 will get cancelled. F1, 3F1, and this will get cancelled, right?
Sir, it's 8.
So you'll get here minus. You'll get here minus 4F2 is equals to minus what you get? 32. 32 only, right? So F2 is equals to what? You will get 8. Person, you get 8 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Then F1 is equal to 7. Put the value of F2 in any of the equation, you will get 7. All right.
Okay.
So this is the equation what you are having with. See, these are the equations what you are having. 4F2 is equal to 32. F2 is equal to n. Then put the value of F1. You'll get the answers. Anyone having doubts? Others? Drish, you got the answer before only, right?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Find the value of P if the mean of the following distribution is 20. Find the value of P. Here Xi only is missing here, not frequency. Si is missing over here. Frequency also is missing. P you should write. You should find the value of P. Find the value of P if mean of the following distribution is 20.
Sir, I am getting P equals to 1 or minus 1.
Okay.
Minus cannot be there, so it must be 1.
Okay. P cannot be minus. Why?
It cannot be minus, right? If you do minus, the xi, fi, and everything will come in minus. So that's one.
But P value can put now. If minus value if you put the 20 minus 1 is 19. Yeah, you cannot put, right?
Yeah.
It can become again 19 if you put minus 1 over there, right?
Yeah.
All of you got same answer only. P is equal to plus or minus 1. Praharshan, you're getting the same answer. Okay, next question. Next question is the mean of 4 numbers 2, 6, 7 and A is 15. And also the mean of other 5 numbers is 50. What is the value of B? If the mean of 4 numbers is 2, 6, 7 and A is 15, and also the mean of other 5 numbers, this is not the same 5 numbers, other 5 numbers is 50, 6, 18, 1, A and B is 50. What is the value of B? It's very easy question, right?
Yes, sir, it can be done simply.
First you tell me A. If you find A, then B you can find easily.
Sir, I got A is 45. I am finding B.
Okay. Using calculator, Samas, don't use calculator. I'm saying you're doing.
Sir, I have done on sides.
Huh?
I am not using calculator. I can even send you the calculation process.
Acha, okay, fine. If you're not doing well and good.
Sir, B I'm getting as 180.
180, yeah, it's correct answer. So it's normal formula only, children. Mean of the observation is equals to what? Mean is equals to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Okay. See how A is
Sir,
coming.
it's coming 180.
Yeah, it's correct answer. 180 is the correct one. So see, mean of observation already we know that is 4 numbers are 2, 6, 7 and A. If you add all the 4 numbers, you will get 15 plus A divided by 4. If you solve, you'll get A is equal to 45.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you A is equal to 45, then sum of other 5 numbers is 50.
50.
So this number already you got now 45. Now again add all these numbers, divide by 5 is equal to 50 you do. You'll get the value of B. Is it clear? Adarsh, Samar, Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, if you know this one, A you find means B also you can find the same way you can find for B also. If you know A, put the value of A and get the answers. Is it clear? Having doubt, Rasool?
Yes, sir.
You got the value of A and B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question is, if the mean of first n natural numbers is 15, so what is n? if the mean of first n natural numbers is 15, then how many numbers are there? N natural numbers. What is find n? Find n. If the mean of first n natural numbers is 15, find n. What is the sum of first n natural numbers, Drishi?
Sir, I don't know.
You have read AP, no? AP was there in the first term or not? AP was there.
It was not there, sir, but we did it.
Yeah, we have done. But n into n plus 1 is the sum of n natural numbers. Continuing from 1. Starting from 1, you can write here n into n plus 1 by 2. You know that? N into n plus 1 divide by 2. If you do, this is the sum of n natural numbers. Suppose you want 5 natural numbers. The 5 into 6 divide by 2. So what will come? 15. Okay. When this is sum of first n natural numbers, you can formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the sum of n natural numbers. Okay. So how to find here n? If the mean of first n natural numbers is 15, what is the value of n? It means that what? The sum of the natural number, I'm writing here, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 divide by 2, okay, is equals to what we can write?
Sir, I am getting is 5 and minus 6. So it must be 5.
It must be 5 natural number.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now we can find if sum of all first n natural numbers is 15. Now we can find the value of n, or still you want to do this? Still you want hint? Okay, I'm writing, I'm just pasting over here. N is equals to 29 is coming. N is equals to
N
20.
equals to 20.
Check. N is equals to
9.
29. Mean of first natural number is sum of first n natural numbers divided by n.
Okay, I forgot to do that divided by n. That's why.
Yeah, the n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by n means we don't know n natural numbers. No, sum of n natural numbers we understood, but divided by n you have forgot, right? See, sum of n natural numbers I taught out this much only right now, right? So this
Yes.
is the only sum of n natural numbers. If you divide by n, then only you'll get the mean of it, right?
Yes.
So if you divide, this should be 15. Then you'll get n is equals to 30. N
Yes,
plus 1 is equal to 30,
everything.
n is equal to 29. Is it clear now, Rasool? Is it clear? Can you do this? Praharshan's clear?
Yes.
So remember that sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Again, why we are dividing by n, Praharshan?
Because it's we have x, I mean fi.
Because there are n numbers. The sum of all observation divided by number of observation. The sum of all observation is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 divided by number of observation means n. So n will get cancelled. So n plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 15. The n is equals to what? 29. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain once again?
Starting only you are not understanding, Rasool?
Yes, sir.
See, I just told the formula n into n plus 1 divide by 2. This is the formula for sum of n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the formula to find the mean? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. So this is the sum of observation we have written. We have to divide by number of observation, means we should divide by n also. And this should be equal to what? 15. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if you see here, your n and n will get cancelled. N and n will get cancelled, right? So what you get? N plus 1 is equal to 30. N is equal to 29. Got it or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Next question is, you know frequency, and just convert into frequency distribution, cumulative frequency. Frequency is given here. Can you just write only cumulative frequency of this table? Only frequency table. Can you draw the frequency table for this? Praharshan, Adarsh, Rasool. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why suddenly all of you on the off the camera now?
Checking.
Praharshan. Time got over, Praharshan.
Just a second, sir. I'm going to drink water. and come back.
Adarsh. So class and frequency. Adarsh, can you hear me, Adarsh?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
This is easy. 224 can do like this, right?
Yes,
It's
I
below-
got the same only.
Below 17.5, below 22.5, below 27.5, below 32.5. These all things will come.
Yes.
If cumulative frequency is given to you, then how to find frequency, that also try to understand here. If 2 is here, the 2 same thing will come. Again, you have to subtract. 24 minus 2, 22. 43 minus 24, 19. 57 minus 43, 14. 70 minus 57, 13. Okay. So if cumulative frequency is given, how to convert to frequency? And if frequency is given, how to convert into cumulative frequency? Next question, next question, next question. Now model question is coming, model class, mode. Okay. Mode, did you remember the formula? Mode formula yesterday we have done, we have revised mode formula. This is not yesterday, day before yesterday, right? So just do this question now. The following data gives the distribution for total monthly household expenditure for 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. The first, only you find monthly, model monthly expenditure. First part you find. Mean you leave, mean you can find it easily, right? So only just find model monthly expenditure of the family. This much only you find and just tell me. Meaning we have did so many questions. Find only model expenditure, model monthly expenditure of the families. Others, what is the formula for mode?
L plus F1 minus F0 by
Hmm.
minus 0 minus F2 into H
Okay. What is H?
class size.
Prasan, what is F1, F0 and F2?
Sir, I don't know.
F1, F2 and F0 you don't know.
No, sir.
Rasool, you?
No, sir.
Model formula also you don't know. Model formula? Praharshan, you? Formula, you know, mode formula at least. That also you don't know.
Sir, mod.
Mode formula. That you know or that also you don't know.
Sir, that also I don't. Sir, I only know the main formula because I was there for that class.
I told you no on that day when you and someone joined on that day after the exam end day. I have told this mode only I told on that day. Did you remember?
Yes, sir, this one I remember.
So here, actually, this is not FM. Actually, in formula, I told you F2. Okay. This you think as F2, and this also is F2 only. So this formula only, this is.
Sir, that's F0, right? M equals to.
Yeah, wait. They have written in different ways, actually. This one.
Yeah.
Actually, this is not FM, F1 minus F0. 102. This is 0. This is 1. This is 1. This is 0. Instead of 1, it's 0. Instead of M, it's 1. So F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. So what is F1? Rishi, what is F1 here?
Sir, I don't know.
You know what is model class?
At 40.
Model class is not 40, whole
So
thing
can
is
I
40.
see?
Yeah, Samar.
Yes, sir. So F0 is 40 and sorry, F1 equals to 40 and F0 equals to 24 and F2 equals to 33.
So F1 is nothing but the frequency of the model class. Model class means the number of family where is maximum. That is your model class. So that what Praharshan told, that is 40, that is correct. And that is only frequency 1 we are putting it as. F1 is the frequency of model class. Just before that, preceding one is F0 and succeeding is F2. Understood, Praharshan?
Sir, yes, sir, now I remember.
The same thing we have discussed that day, right?
Yes.
So, then you can put the value here in the question, you'll get the answer. Okay. The L plus, this is, you just remember here, this is not FM, it's FM is equal to 1. Wait, I'll just write the correct formula here. This is also correct. Different way of teaching is there. No. 1 minute. And this you can remember. Okay,
Sir, I am getting 1847.8.
okay, 1847. And this part is F1.
1848 in total.
Okay, 1848.
Yeah.
F1, the number one is F0, and this one is F2. Okay. One minute. F2. If not, F1 and F2. These all are things you can just put the values. L is the lower limit of model class. L is the lower limit of model class. What is L here? So L is equals to 1500. Okay. So L is the lower limit of the model class. You're getting the answer as what you are saying? Mode is coming 1847.8, right? Hmm? Can you hear me, Samarth?
Yes, sir.
Your answer is correct only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here, anyone else who got the answer only should put the values now, right? So if one also you know, if not also you know, H is the lower limit, upper limit. Put the values, get
Sure.
the answer.
L equals to 1500, and H equals to the class difference, and 1500 plus 40 minus 24 by 23 into 500.
So getting 1847.83, right,
I
Prash?
did by hand, so I got 1848.
Okay, fine. Again, one mode formula I'm just giving to you. Mode formula, mode question only. Okay. This question you have to find by yourself. And all of you tell me the answer for this. Mode is the easiest part actually. Mode is the easiest one.
Sir, I got 44.7.
44.
Yes.
Okay, let me take the answer. Yeah,
Yes, sir, I am also
44.7.
getting 44.7.
44.7, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All of you got the same answer?
Same thing,
Yeah,
chat
sir.
box.
You can check this one. So here maximum one is your 40 to 50. This is F1. And above one is F0. And this is F2. That's it. Next, I'll give one
But we
question.
have to get in the round number, right? Next number, because a car cannot be 44.7.
No, that only you should write. What is coming exact, that only you should write.
Yeah, okay.
Next question is median. I'll give right now. Median question. Question, what is the median formula?
Sir, median, I was not there.
Median, you are not there.
It was last class, right? Median.
Okay. I'll tell you the median formula only, okay? See, I was telling you the median. This is the median formula. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay. What is L? L is the lower limit of median class. L was the lower limit of mode class was there, no? Same way, L is the lower limit of median class. So which is median you have to find. First of all, you have to find CF in this. Here it's given that this is your cumulative frequency, okay? So here you have to find frequency first. First you have to find frequency in the middle. Okay, you have to find frequency. How to find frequency? Try to understand Praharshan here. 4 as it is we are writing here. Then subtraction, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, and this minus this. Okay. So what you get, try to understand here, 11 minus 4, that is what will come here? 7. 29 minus 11, 18. 40 minus 29, that is 11. 11 only will come, right? Again, 46 minus 40, 6. 51 minus 46, that is 5. Okay. These are the frequency. Understood, Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
Now limit also you can do. See, their difference is only 5, 5. So this is 135 to 140. Okay. This is 140 to 145. Like this, you should keep on doing. Okay. Then again, this will become 145 to 150. Then 150 to 155, like this. Then 155 to 160. 160 to 165. Like this, this number I should need to change this one. Understood, Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
Then how to find n by 2? N by 2 means total number of girls over here. How much total number of girls? 51. So 51 by 2, how much you got? 20.5, right?
Yes.
So where 20.5 lies? It lies still in this. This is the median class. Understood? This is the median class. So L becomes what? This is 145 to 150. So L becomes 145. L becomes 145. N by 2, understood? N by 2 is 20 by 5. CF is just above frequency, this one. This is CF. This part is F. Height is the difference between class intervals. So height between 150 minus 145 is equal to 5. This is height. Okay. H you know, L you know, N by 2 you know, CF you know, and then F also you know. This is CF. This is F. Okay. Now put the value, get the answer. All right, Praharshan.
What is N?
Yes, sir.
L is the lower limit of median class. Which is median class?
Sir,
Drishti?
N.
N. N is total number. This is last what is coming. That is, this is your N, 51. N is total number of, means this is a total number of whatever it is, total number of data. So 51. So 51 divided by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubts. So mean, median, mode is clear to everyone. Any doubt is get facing? The next class is still we do more questions based on this. So we just
So is the answer 138?
138. Let me check. Answer is 149.03. 149.03 is the answer.
Okay, so got it. Yeah, I took F as the wrong number.
Okay. Okay, that's for today. You can just leave children. Just try to send five questions of this one, mean, median, and mode. Try to do this examination question, board questions. If you're having doubt, you can ask. Okay.
Aren't there smaller formulas for this?
Which one?
The median or the mean, aren't there smaller formulas for them?
Yeah, smaller formula. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H.
Sir, like the process is just too long, right?
Process is too long.
Like to find the CF and everything.
Yeah, process bit comparatively mean and median is long, but calculation is easy. Because see, if you have to find frequency, that is only will take bit time. That's and nothing to do. 4 as it is, 11 minus 4, 11, 7, 29 minus 11, 18. Only what is the process long here? You should
So
find
like
median.
subtract every single thing and all, and getting everything, adding them up again.
Now in class 10th, no, you're not in class 5th or 6th. This is like easy only for class 10th. Only you have to find F and CF, find CF and F, put the value, get the answer. That's it. No need to apply head also in that.
Okay.
Fine, children, you can leave now.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Good night. Bye.